Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani. Today our topic trigonometry. Now let's see here trigonometry. Trigonometry derived from Greek word, Greek language. Okay. Now it having three words: tri, tri, gono, gona, metry. Okay, what is mean by these three words? Now let's see here. TRI. TRI means try, that is three. THRE, three. Okay, next here gona. Gona means angle. Okay, now here one more is there, metry. Metry means measurements. Okay, here trigonometry meaning this is three angle measurements, that is called trigonometry. Now let's see here basics functions of trigonometry ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Now let's see here. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. These are the basics functions of trigonometry. Now let's see here triangle side. Triangle side. 3. 1, 2, 3. It is the three sides. Okay. Now let's see here angle. Here 1, 2, 3. This is the angles. Measurements. What is this here length? That only measurements. Okay. This is called a triangle. Okay. Now let's see here. I am taking here right angle triangle. Already we are knowing right angle triangle 90 degrees. See here. This is the right angle triangle having 90 degrees. Here theta. Okay. Now let's see here points A, B, C. These are three points. Here having 90 degrees. Next here having angle theta. Next here AB is the one of the side. BC is the one of the side. AC is the one of the side. What is this is the called? Let's see here. Theta besides the angle. Theta beside this side, that is called adjacent angle. Adjacent side angle theta. Now let's see here. Theta opposite side. Opposite side see here B, C. Okay. Now let's see here. This one is the opposite side. Opposite side angle theta. Okay. This one is the opposite side angle theta. This is the adjacent side angle theta. Now let's see exactly 90 degrees opposite side. One more is there, A and C. That is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Now let's see here. This is the hypotenuse. This is the one of the side, opposite sides of angle theta, and this BC. A, B is the adjacent side of angle theta. Now let's see here. We using right angle triangle, we apply basic function in theta. Okay, now we are applying theta in basic function of trigonometric ratios. We apply theta in basic functions. B means basic functions. Basic function, what are they here? Sin theta, cos theta, tan, cosec and sec, cot. These functions applying theta values. Now let's see here, read sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay, theta values applying. Now let's see here, first one. What is this first one? First basic function of ratio sin theta. We are applying all theta. Applying all here theta. Okay, here theta is completed. Basic function here sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Here we are applying theta, that's why I am calling here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay, now let's see here, first one sin theta. Sin theta is the, what is this sin theta? Opposite sides of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, sin theta is the opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side here BC. Okay, adjacent side of angle theta is AB. Hypotenuse AC. Okay, now let's see here, what is this opposite sides of angle theta? Here BC. I am writing here BC divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC. Okay, this is the sin theta. Sin theta is completed. After that, what is this? Cos theta. Now let's see here, cos theta. Now cos theta, adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Okay, now let's see here, adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta AB. I am writing here AB. And hypotenuse side AC. Okay, sin theta, cos theta is completed. After that, what is this? This one is completed. After that, tan theta. Now let's see here, tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. Now let's see here, sin theta. We are applying these rules in this place. Okay, sin theta value. What is this sin theta value? Opposite sides of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Now let's see here, dividing a line, this one. Okay, after that sin theta value here see and write this. Opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite sides of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Next here, cos theta. Cos theta, dividing line. Next here, cos theta. Cos theta, what is this? Adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. hypotenuse. Now let's see here. Common is the hypotenuse and hypotenuse then cancel. Remaining what is this here? Opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Now let's see here. Tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Then here what is this? Opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Okay, this is the tan theta. Now let's see here. Tan theta is completed. After that, cosec theta. Cosec theta means reciprocal of the sin theta. Now let's see here. Cosec theta. Cosec theta means reciprocal of the sin theta. Now next here 1 by 1 here 1 dividing line. Next here sin theta. Sin theta value here what is this here? Opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. We are writing opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Next here reciprocal means this place goes to this place and this place goes to this place. Okay, here not having anyone, that's why I am taking here 1. Okay, now cosec theta equal to what is this? 1 by sin theta. Okay, here reciprocal of the sin theta. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side of angle theta. Okay, this is the cosec theta. Next here cosec theta after what is this? Sec theta. Now let's see here. I am taking here in this place sec theta. Okay, now let's see sec theta. Sec theta means reciprocal of the cos theta. Reciprocal of the cos theta. Cosec theta reciprocal of the sin theta. Sec theta means reciprocal of the cos theta. Now let's see here. Reciprocal of the cos theta. Sec theta equal to reciprocal of the cos theta. Now let's see here cos theta. Cos theta, what is this here? 1 by here adjacent side of angle theta divided by what is this? Hypotenuse. Okay, it is the reciprocal of the cos theta, that is called sec theta. Now let's see here hypotenuse. Reciprocal means this place goes to this place and this place goes to this place. Here not having any 1, that's why I am taking here 1. Okay, that's why here coming this place. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Okay, this is the sec theta. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Okay, remaining what is this? Sec theta also completed. Remaining what is this here? Cot theta. Now let's see here in this place I am taking, that's why this place is rough. Sin theta completed, cos theta completed, next tan theta completed. Next cosec theta here, sec theta here, and remaining what is this? Cot theta. Next here cot theta equal to reciprocal of the tan theta. Okay, reciprocal of the tan theta. 1 by tan theta. Reciprocal means 1 by tan theta. Okay, now let's see here 1 by tan theta here. What is this tan theta? Tan theta is opposite sides of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Now let's write here opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Okay, now let's see here adjacent angle side of angle theta then goes to reciprocal. Reciprocal means adjacent side of angle theta divided by this place goes to this place into 1 divided by opposite sides of opposite side of angle theta. Okay, cot theta. Cot theta is adjacent side of angle theta divided by opposite sides of angle theta. This is called cot theta. Okay, basics functions of ratios is completed. Now full form of basics function of ratios. Okay, now let's see here. Rub this. Full form of basic functions of ratios. Functions of ratios. Basics functions here. What is this basics function? Now let's see here. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. These are our basics functions of cos theta. Okay, now let's see here sin theta. Full form of sin theta. What is this full form of sin theta? Sine of angle theta. Okay, sine of angle theta. Next cos theta. Full form of cos theta. What is the full form of cos theta? Cosine of angle theta. Next sin theta is completed, cos theta is completed. Now let's see here tan theta. Tan theta full form of tan theta, tangent of angle theta. Tangent of angle theta, that is called tan theta. Tan theta after what is this? Cosec theta. Cosecant. Okay. C-C-A-N-T. Cosecant of angle theta. Full form of cosec theta. Now cosec sin theta is completed, cos theta completed, tan theta completed, cosec theta is completed. Now let's see sec theta. Sec theta, full form of sec theta, secant of angle theta. Secant secant of angle theta. That is called sec theta. Okay. Sec theta after what is that? Cot theta. Cot theta is cotangent. Cotangent of angle theta. Okay. Full form of cot theta, cotangent of angle theta. Now let's see here once again. Here full form of basic functions of ratios. Basic functions already we are knowing: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Next here in this one, see here it is the full form of sin theta. Sin theta full form is sin of angle theta. Next cos theta, full form of cos theta, cosine of angle theta. Next tan theta. Tan theta is tangent of, full form of tan theta, tangent of angle theta. Okay. Next cosec theta, full form of cosec theta, cosecant of angle theta. Okay. Next here sec theta. Sec theta, full form of sec theta, secant of angle theta. That is called sec theta. Next cot theta of, full form of cot theta, cotangent of angle theta. This is the basic function of ratios full form. Okay. Thank you.